In the earlier days for the mathematician to find the values of irrational numbers and complex numbers. Then Brahmagupta, a mathematician, using Bell's equation, found this method to find the value of irrational numbers in the form of root d, where d is a non-perfect square and natural number. So, Bell's equation states that if a comma b is a solution of x square minus dy square is equal to k, and c comma d is a solution of x square minus ny square is equal to k dash, then AC plus or minus capital T BD and AD plus or minus BC is also a solution of x square minus ny square is equal to k into k dash. Brahmagupta said that if we substitute k and k dash as 1, then the equation would be x square minus ny square is equal to 1. So the solutions would be AC plus or minus DBD and AD plus or minus BC. So he brought this method into existence. He said that if we want to find the value of root d, then we should substitute d in this equation. So the equation would be x square minus dy square is equal to 1. So let us take an example of root 2. We should find the value of root 2. So we should substitute 2 value here. So x square minus 2y square is equal to 1. If we want to find solutions, we should find first solution. So the solution will be 3 and 2. So we substitute a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2. And same here, c is equal to 3 and d is equal to 2. So with this expression, we substitute this expression and solve the expressions. So the answer will be 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2 into 2, that is 17, and 3 into 2 plus 3 into 2, that is 12. So 17 by 12 would approximately 1.41421, which is approximately equal to root 2. This is how we find the estimate the values of irrational numbers.